Beautiful sunset too to end day 3.
4.13.
Reasonable day today. We ended up with a heap of mackerel.
Oh, we've got an inquiry.
Oh, here we go. Alright. So there's something having a sniff.
Here we go.
Right, so we'll just let it go, and then what Cookie's going to do in about 10 seconds is lock it into strike right about now.
Well, he knows he's been hit.
Not on. He's dropped it, I think.
I don't think I have. Nah, he's there.
Is he?
He just doesn't know it. He's about to find out.
Oh, he's about to find out. No, he just let it go.
I definitely saw something on the end of it's bait though, I think.
Yeah, that's
Put a
right.
weight on it. There we go. He's
There
back.
we go.
He's back. Let him take it. Swallow it up.
Let me do this for you. Now we're on. How cool is this? That's 150 kilos of angry bull shark. Man, look at it go.
He just wants more and more.
It's probably 150 metres. Just when Cookie thought he was going to have a chance to wind. No. That's 200.
We'll lay down some more pain or...
And what a lovely sunset the shark is swimming towards.
Sunset and the line is kind of like going to
Yeah, that's right. So we're just standing down on the back deck having beers. That 2-speed Cookie? No, you're in big trouble. You are in big trouble. I thought that was a 2-speed.
money with a 1-speed reel.
Man. You are in a whole world of pain. See how long this lasts. It's 2.5 minutes now. So that first run was 2 minutes.
Just the same.
Busted, I think. Pinged it, yep. Busted everything up.
Oh, you lost
This
it.
happens all the time.